Since 2020, we've experienced pandemics, wildfires, record-breaking cold temperatures, power outages, floods, civil unrest, and whatnot. The thing is, you never know what kind of challenges you're gonna face because real-life survival scenarios are not like the TV shows. That's why we recommend keeping an emergency kit or go bag at the ready. In times, it can be the difference between your life and death. Therefore, in today's video, we're gonna talk about the 5 best emergency kits in 2021 just for you. So stay tuned and hit the bell icon right now.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
During emergencies, it requires responders hours or several days to reach the place. That's where this blue 72 3-day emergency kit comes into play, which is specially manufactured to help you get through those critical moments. This emergency kit contains a reinforced grab-and-go bag featuring a triple pocket design that allows you to store your essential items easily. Inside of this bag, you get a robust 36-piece first aid kit that will come in handy during emergency scenarios. Apart from that, you get one pack of 2,400-calorie food bars and 5 pouches of drinking water. They will serve you in critical condition when food and water are out of reach. This kit also features lots of survival gear, including a hand crank flashlight, an emergency blanket, a dust mask, a rain poncho, a tissue pack, and so on. Overall, this Blue 72 3-day emergency kit is a perfect solution for emergency survival as it houses enough emergency supplies for one person to sustain for up to 3 days. It is challenging to predict when an emergency condition will occur at your home, school, or office. Therefore, we should always stay prepared and have an emergency kit like the Ready America 7280 on hand. With adequate emergency supplies to support 2 people for 3 days, it features 33-piece first aid items for minor injuries such as bandages and wound cleaning, along with basic essentials. Also, it contains 2 2,400-calorie food bars, water pouches, survival blankets, disposable dust masks, nitrile gloves, a plastic whistle, ponchos, pocket tissues, and more. Besides, this Ready America emergency kit is equipped with 2 survival light sticks to help you out in the wilderness. All in all, the Ready America 7280 is loaded with nearly all the essential items that you'll find handy while dealing with an emergency. It doesn't matter where you live, disaster can strike at any time, and you don't want to be caught unprepared. Keeping that in mind, JUDY has designed this Mover Max emergency kit that can be your faithful survival companion. The best fact regarding this Mover Max is it is 100% water resistant, allowing you to take the kit back anywhere you want to, regardless of the weather condition. It comes with plenty of essentials, including 109-piece medical supplies, 1 pair of protecting gloves, 4 hand warmers for instant heat, 14 water packets, 10mm replacement bars, 4 dust masks, rain ponchos, hand sanitizer, hand crank radio, multi-tool, and so on. Emergency preparedness experts handpick each JUDY item, and they serve well when it is about warmth, food, water, and safety. In summary, JUDY The Mover MAX can support a group of people for about 72 hours and is appropriate for families who prefer using this kit on the go to remain safe in any unwanted situation. Designed for 2 people, with 2 days of emergency support, the Redfora Complete Earthquake Bag features expert-curated supplies. It comes with everything you need to stay safe, warm, and fit during an emergency. Inside this Redfora bag, you will get plenty of essential kits that will work as first aid, hygiene, shelter, warmth, light, communication, food, and water. For bruises and damages, you will get 107 first aid kits. There is also a multi-tool, a sleeping bag, 5-in-1 whistle, 2-person tube tent, and much more. And for food, water, and hygiene, you will get 3,600 calorie of food bars, 24 water pouches, hydration bags with straw, water purification tablets, and so on. Last but not least, as for light and communication, this earthquake bag provides you with a bright stick, hand crank water resistant flashlight, and radio. In short, if you want a lot of emergency items with a high quality backpack to survive in an emergency, you may not find anything more promising than this Redfora Complete Earthquake Bag. On our top pick, we've chosen the Sustain Supply Co. Comfort 2 based on its top-notch features, including authentic food, clean water, and high-quality tools that will always help you during an emergency. It contains one thoughtfully designed, water-resistant premium quality backpack and features your first aid, food, hydration, hygiene, and other necessary contents. This Comfort 2 produces dehydrated and nutritious real meals instead of supplements to satisfy your hunger during disastrous conditions. And this is another reason for keeping this first on our list. Like the other standard emergency kits, this one also got 48 pieces first aid kit, silent flashlights, handy bath wipes, a Sawyer mini water filter, an emergency blanket, and so on. But what makes this kit exceptional is it comes with a portable stove and cookware, and it also houses a Maractive knife, LED lantern and flashlight, bowls and utensils, etc. All said, with real food, water, and tools, this Sustain Supply Co. Comfort 2 can surely help you stay calm and comfortable no matter how worse the scenario is. So that was all about the 5 best emergency kits in 2021 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.